Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about the Fanttik Slim V10 Air cordless handheld vacuum cleaner. I picked this up at Sam's Club this morning. It's very well packaged. It was on sale, $20 off. I believe it was $29.99, so it was like $30. It looks like it's going to be very handy around the shop, very handy in the car, handy around the house if you want to do something to pick something up very quickly. Provides 12 kPa suction, 25 amp watts. Dust capacity is 120 milliliters. Weight is 443 grams. Charging time 2.5 to 3 hours. Run time 30 minutes to 15 minutes. Depending on speed, I guess. Battery capacity 2500 milliamps. We have what comes in the box. We have the vacuum cleaner body, the crevice tool, the cleaning brush, the push-in brush, the storage base, charging Type-C cable, and the user's manual. Some of these tools that don't cost very much, but they seem to be very handy around the house. All right, first box. Spacer filler box. And the main unit. All right, so let's see. The main unit is right here. The fact that it was only $30, $29.99. Oh, it feels good in the hand. Feels very good in the hand, very solid. It's got all the markings right here, certifications. It's got a peel. Let's do the peel. Very premium, shiny button right there on the case. Oh, you just hold it down. It's fully charged. So this is a look at it. Looks very, very premium. Feels very premium. This is item number 2 in the box. This is the canister collector filter assembly. Looks very, very premium. And it's kind of like my salt shaker. It just twists in and locks. You have a little dot here. You line up the dot in the unlock position. Give it a twist to the lock position, you get a firm click. So this is called the Slim V10 Air. Right there, if you can see that. Slim V10 Air, Slim V10 Air. Nice looking unit. All right, what else is in the box? We have the USB-C cable. So we have the cleaning brush, and we have the USB-C to USB-C cable. Cleaning brush and USB-C to USB-C cable. On here we have another package, but it is very hot out here. It's in the 90s. Feels like 100s. Both cameras are still recording. Okay, so this is a brush attachment. Goes on just like that. This is the whole unit looking at it with the extra mousse, which I do like the lens close up on that for products. Now, we have another item here. So this other item, like I said, they're all packaged like premium products. And this product, I am not sponsored, was $20 off at Sam's. Well, the extra mousse is still recording. Oh, so this is a product stand, huh? Nice, small little products. Set it on a shelf and forget about it until you need to clean up a mess. We have the instruction manual everybody should read, including myself. Fanttik Slim V10 Air Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner User Manual. Please read this instructions carefully. There you have it, guys. On sale at Sam's Club. 30 bucks. Now my wife she notices the floor mats in the car when we get in. This will be very handy to have in the car. Just grab the crevice tool for long extended reach, put that in. Got a low and a high, so it's 30-minute runtime or 15-minute runtime. And you have this nice screen right here to show your battery indicator level. I don't know which camera's going to pick that up better, but you have, it looks like an OLED screen possibly. and it shows low and high. And you hold it down to turn it on or turn it off. Very nice, very nice. So you just take that apart, drop it in the stand. This V10 is a slim V10 Air, and it is very powerful handheld unit, very easy to empty. It's got a button on here just to empty it. You just pop that out and flip it open and shake out the dirt, and you have cleanable filters. Snap it like that, and there's even a lock, which I think is kind of fantastic. Fantastic for the Fanttik. My wife has this corner that she saves all the dirt for the vacuum cleaner. There's the dirt. Here's the vacuum. Turning it on. Hold the button down. Nice screen. We're on low. There you have it. The dirt is gone.
It doesn't have
I like it.
Suction.
She says it doesn't have a strong suction, but it picked up the dirt. That was the most important thing.
Yeah.
But it's just, now it was on low.
Oh.
Let me turn it on high.
Okay.
That's low. That's high. Okay, she says it sounds better now. Now that it's on high. There's low. And hold it down for off. Please hit like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.